We are what our thoughts have made us, so take care about what you think. My dear audience, my dear students, my dear fellows, positive thinking is the key to peaceful living. The power of positive thinking is the most discussed topic in the recent times. Flashed all around is the message, think positive. In different parts of the world, a lot of seminars and workshops are conducted on this topic for the benefit of people, as positive thinking is the most important key to success. My dear students, positive thinking helps not only to achieve success but even to improve your health, relationship, gain satisfaction, happiness, and the most importantly, inner peace. You need to know you can enjoy your life with positive thinking. Everything in your life can go on smoothly by utilizing this important key to positive thinking, and that can make your life more promising and brighter. It is contagious trait, and people who pick up these characteristics are also affected by just thinking about good health, success, and happiness. You can source people not only to help you but even like you, as the vibration emitted by positive mind are enjoyed by individual. So how to overcome stress and have a peaceful living? Positive thinking is an emotional and mental attitude, and that would help you to focus on brighter sides of life mainly and overcome any difficulty in life without stress. It is important that you believe in effectiveness to gain positive result. It is necessary that positive thinking become implemented in everything you do. Someone said, when you think positive, good things happen. So, my dear students, clue of this message, you can create a precise adjustment in your life with positive thinking by using positive words in your life, just like, I can do it, it is possible, I am able, etc. You just need to allow feelings like happiness, success, peace, and strength flow in your life. My dear fellows, my dear students, ignore negative thinking is very beneficial as it substitutes them with happy and positive thinking. So you can attain happy thoughts by reading a page of motivating book every day. So please, today's message, think positive and achieve your goals.